In this video, I'll show you how to create an energetic opening where the video zooms outward from the center, creating a fountain-like reveal effect. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the zoom feels impactful. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Fountain Zoom, then apply it. Once applied, the video expands outward from the center, revealing the scene with a strong and dynamic motion. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the zoom expands. Shorter duration makes the reveal fast and explosive. Longer duration slows it down, making the motion smoother and more cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the expansion feels balanced with your visuals or music. And that's it. You've successfully added a fountain zoom reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.